First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer photos and videos from Android to computer, run the software on your computer. Connect your Android device to your computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android device. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Android device will be displayed by categories in the interface. To transfer videos, click Videos and scroll down to view all the videos on your Android device. Tick off the videos you want to transfer, click Export, choose a location on your computer to save, then click OK. The chosen videos will be transferred to your computer. Once finished, click OK. To transfer photos, click Photos Library, scroll down to view all the photos on your Android device. Tick off the photos you want to transfer, click Export, choose a location on your computer to save, then click OK. The chosen photos will be transferred to your computer.